might need you to explain some things, but this part is the heater blower resistor, right?
I believe
is that what we're calling it?
Yeah.
And the previous owner did some interesting wiring here. This looks burnt up. Those are jammed in there.
That should be a harness at the top of those three that's clipped.
Yeah.
There you go.
So up in here it's completely like siliconed, and that should be fun to get out. It looks like I'm trying to see if I can even see the screw back there. Not really. So anyway, we went to the junkyard today and we got ourselves a brand new Nubian.
Brand new being used.
So
still looks pretty haggard here, but I think that just maybe happens from age. I don't know if it's burnt, rust. Shouldn't be rust.
Yeah, so we're gonna need to remove the one under the dash, and then we're gonna replace it with this one. And we're thinking and hoping some electrical tape and butt connectors is gonna be all that we're gonna need. Right?
Air's not blowing out of the vents.
Yeah.
This is what we've found that could be the culprit. It's not the dampener. I've checked this side. I've manually done that side. Still not blowing out, only out of the defrost. So at this point, apparently it's either something behind the dash, or it could be that thing is burnt, which ours obviously was burnt, and somebody decided that, well, let's just stick them wires on up in there and silicone them. That'll work.
Yeah, no, it doesn't work. All right. So first things first is we need to take out the old one. We've got a screw. Our dogs are going crazy. There's one right there. Okay, well they only put one screw in, which is the screw I just took out. And so here's the part that we're talking about. What a shoddy job. Okay. So now we just need to unhook it and cut all this shit off, and we should be in business. Okay.
Bing, bing, bing. There's the three wires. Go to these wires.
You like to put your elbow in my way.
So I really need a knife and stuff. I need to get these split.
This would not be possible without my pink scissors, just so you know.
Made in Korea.
Or Korea.
Thank you, Korea.
Yep.
Specifically Seoul.
We love you.
Not the best way to do cut a wire with scissors.
Yeah, but it works.
Usually want to use a crimper, but I am a professional. I have a specific set of skills.
A professional hottie.
It is warm out.
That's not what I'm talking
sweat
about.
Hog over here. Oh, yeah.
This is the most exciting part.
This was a fatty. I hope I have a big enough wire nut for that one.
Probably not.
We get into these butt connectors.
Booty connecting.
Put it in the butt.
I like that. Isn't that a song?
Booty connector. Okay, that's in there. Now I need to prepare that side right there, pink to pink.
Oops, sorry. I'm just intrigued. Your seat looks good too.
Yeah, the seat's perfect. I just finished stitching that up. Looks pretty much showroom. That's concourse quality seat. So if you want, follow us for tips and tricks on how to make your leather seats look brand new.
Yeah.
And have
toaster seats.
Custom stitching.
Mm-hmm.
Louis Vuitton ain't got nothing on me.
Louis Crouton. Beat it, Crouton.
Beat it, Crouton. Yeah, I'll get to step in there, Crouton.
If you haven't seen the KFC romantic movie starring Mario Lopez, you should probably watch it.
It's a must.
It's a must-see TV sort of deal for a date night.
AC Slater's best work. Oh, wait, who?
Yep, you got it. Mario Lopez.
Mario Lopez.
AC Slater. He said it stood for absolutely charming, but it was actually Albert Clifford. There's some fun Saved by the Bell trivia.
Stay tuned for more. Zach Morris is trash.
Nope. He gave up. Oh, no, he's back.
I don't want to cut through the wires, and this one's not cooperating.
I'm gonna get in the driver's seat.
Get in the driver's seat. So, these aren't. I don't want to use these to try to crimp it. I wish I had an actual crimper, but I do. But
I think there's a flattish tool in there to do that.
The flat nose pliers is what I'm looking for. The dike.
Okay. Wire number 2.
Yeah, and if you can help it, don't cut one of them way longer than another. That was just stupid. Save you some. Save you a little heartache.
Woo!
Damn.
Bluebee.
Maybe. Bluebo Baggins. Just wanted to make sure the other side would bite in there. So, hooked up. Oh man, should I have run that back through there? I probably should have. That's all gonna tuck behind the carpet apparently.
Yeah.
I should have.
Maybe so. We need to make sure it works. So.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Obviously.
Captain Obvious.
Shh. I don't really necessarily know that it has to be tucked up in the hole.
Really?
I don't know.
I don't know what the fuck that thing does. Excuse me. What that thing does.
The power's running through it. I don't know if it. So it goes like this. I know that. Again, we're changing places. She was actually the contortionist that got in there and yanked 2 different ones at the yards. One was from a 95, so do not get those. They are completely different. And pro tip, there's a difference between automatic and manual ACs. So this is an automatic, and manual is just 3 knobs, 3 of these, not that digital dial. So just save yourself from pulling the wrong one at the yard.
So I can have
Oh
a
yeah,
light.
hold on one sec. Alright, back to it. We had to get her a little light.
I don't know if it's in there or not. It's hard to tell.
Yeah.
And my arm. Ooh. I was holding it that whole time you were gone.
Oh jeez. I take forever to do anything.
I shouldn't have done that. Now my arm is broken.
Oh boy.
Okay. I feel like maybe I need to go in with that first, but will it stay is the question.
Yeah. I was trying to stuff it up there and the wires were getting in the way on the back side. That's why I was trying to feed it through. When you break breather.
Feel it in here? No.
No, I could get my hand through the back side, but I couldn't find an access point on the front side because I was going to try to fish it through there.
Of course, I lost my screw.
Oh no. Yeah.
Make things so freaking difficult. Ah!
The new Samsung Galaxy Face Pod.
Oh. Do I have it?
How'd she get it? Successful mission?
No, but I'm wiping my sweat all over your phone.
Oh yeah, baby.
Why won't you? Oh wait, maybe I do have it.
Oh, she
Oh my goodness.
She done did. Jump and deal.
That's probably record time that somebody's been able to get that screw in there.
Get some. That's my wire.
Guinness.
Guinness Book of unbelievable records.
Oh, you know what? I totally missed the hole.
Yeah, record time.
It's wedged between the box and the wall.
Is it up there enough to hold it in place?
Yeah, it's holding it in place.
I'm gonna go get keys and try her out. Stay tuned.
Okay, we're gonna find out
What happens?
if it blows cold.
See what happens, Larry? I have it off purposely. Not out of the vents.
It's probably because I didn't screw it in correctly, you know?
Some of that.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I'm getting blasted in the face with cold air. What'd you do?
The damper. So it's maybe my damper
I would say this is a success. I'm calling that a junkyard success. I don't know how he feels about it. Well, I do know how he feels about it. He wishes it was way more blowy and probably cooler and, you know, not so many long wires and stuff like that. But it wasn't blowing hard, weak, not cool. Like, it was not cool, but it was also not cold. And so that seemed to do the trick. The blower, heater, blower, resistor, let's call it that. And yeah,